Good morning, everybody. Today, yes, beta, I will give some project. English project. Last day, you have already read the story of the road. So, from there, I can give you project. So, I can give you project that, please listen to me. Draw or paste the picture of winter vegetables, flowers and fruits on your scrapbook or chart paper and write 10 to 15 lines about winter. Okay, about winter. Okay, beta, good morning everybody. Good morning everybody. Please do the project like this. Okay, so here draw or paste the picture of the winter vegetables. Follow vegetables, flowers and fruits on your scrapbook or chart paper and write 10 to 15 lines about winter. So, winter, how can you write? This project you will get in my e-portal also. E-portal also at the same time I will give to you. Winter, like this, you can write winter begins in West Bengal from last of November and it stays till February. It is the coldest season. It is the coldest season of all seasons. So here you can write, after that you can also write about your own words, like that how many flowers you have got in your house. If you are having flower plants or any fruits, you can write, you can eat, you can get from the market fruits and vegetables, so many colorful vegetables and fruits you are having this time. So please describe. 10 to 15 lines means whatever you can. Okay, please write very nicely. Now you can write about your own, whatever mistake is there, please write your own words. Okay, and submission date I will tell afterwards, not now, and when and where you will submit will tell. And today also my e-portal you will get this project. Again I will tell. I will write for you. Then again, now you will open your textbook, page number 69. Little Tiger and Big Tiger. Little Tiger textbook or Marigold book. TTLE, Little Tiger and Big Tiger. Please read with me very nicely. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. Cub means that a small baby. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by the mother's side. Look how the mother cub is taking care of her children. She is having so many responsibilities about her children. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Langur monkey, they are having some things. Tiger, you know that. We are also afraid of the tiger. Okay. So, their tiger, that mother tiger, just is roaming for that hunting. So, everybody is very careful. Everybody is very careful. Why? Because they know that sometime if tiger is getting chance, he will hunt, she will hunt them. So langur, what they are telling, they are careful and they made other animals also careful. But be careful, they are telling, be careful. The tiger is coming. Watch out, a tiger is coming. Somber deer, he also, actually tiger has a bad smell. When he is coming, they can understand by their bad smell. A somber deer bellowed. The cocker deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. She hunted them for jungle fowl. Fowl is also some flesh for the bird. Flesh means, do you know, meat, like this bird's flesh. For peasant also one type of bird. And a frog. Or went to the river for fish. Because she has to feed her also child, because she has a tiger cub. She did not hunt every night, but she did not get. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. Because everybody, they know that tiger is coming. Moon was bright, it was not dark. She twitched the tip of the tail. Twitch means just without any sound, she was going, twitched. And the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. Pounced means just catch, jump and catched. And caught the tail again and again, because she was very much depends upon that mother. She's very, the tiger cub, he is very small and mother cub is caring to him. When your mother is caring, taking care to him, they are also like this. He went too far away. The mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. Like this, if you are going outside alone, your mother is scolding sometime. They are telling, please don't go. Like this, mother tiger is also grunt. Grunt means he is also roaring, like scolding. Then tiger cub came back. Again he came back. But he did not like to stay near the mother in the jungle at night. But sometimes he wants to go alone. He's a boy. He is also having some naughtiness. He is very naughty. He is telling that no, he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle. Night time also he want to go alone. He want to hunt also, and he want to hunt alone something. One night the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. Full day he was hunting for his baby, so he was very tired. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. Hopping means jumping, small frog he has seen. Tiger cub pounced, means just jumped. And the frog hopped away, but frog left away from him. He chased the frog and caught it and turned to show his mother. The frog hopped away. He chased the frog. Chase means you know that paliye berano, okay, just tarano, just chased. Following, he chased the frog, but he left. But he chased the frog and caught it and turned to show his mother. Actually, it was his first hunting. So he was very happy. So he wanted to show his mother. Okay. He wanted to show his mother. She was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. But at that time, he did not see his mother. He saw a big tiger, bigger than his mother. He was a little bit afraid. Then tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. Tiger's green eyes glistened. Glisten means actually glittered. Chok chok kore utha. He watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He was very much afraid. He could not hide or run because tiger was bigger than his mother also. So he could not go anywhere. He was very much afraid. He let the frog hop away. Then he left the frog because he wanted to show his mother that he first hunted the frog. But when he was afraid, then he left the frog. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. Crept up means creep, from that crawling. Tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. Creep and crawl like this. Sometimes they are going by the chest. Buke hete jawa, we are telling. That is crawling or creeping. So tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. But a roar filled the jungle. The roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. Then mother tiger also was very much thinking about his small tiger cub. So she came and she faced. Faced means just she was looking because she wanted to fight for her little cub. So she faced the other tiger and the tiger went away. The mother tiger liked to roar a loud, big tiger roar. So at that time, mother tiger was very much angry. So he was there, she was there, she was roaring, means she was shouting loudly. And to tell other animals in the jungle that she was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. So everybody just had gone from them. Then the tiger cub also liked to roar a loud tiger cub roar to tell all other animals in the jungle that he was there. So everybody, tiger cub also, he also was roaring, and he was telling that behind the mother I was also there. But all other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all. None of them ran away because he was very small. So no one was afraid to the little tiger because he was very little. There came a year. After 1 year, then little cub was a full-grown tiger, not like the human being. They are also animals. So after 1 year, he was full-grown tiger. He walked for miles alone, hunting for game at the night. When he roared to tell other animals in the jungle that he was there. So at that time he was roaring and he was telling other animals that he was there. He was also king of the jungle like this. Tiger is not the king of the jungle, but he was roaring and he was shouting and telling everybody that he was there in the jungle. He has already grown up. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. And the great big tiger had been small tiger cub. Hearing his own loud roar, smiled to himself, and great big tiger smiled. Actually, that tiger also, he was also very happy because it was his son. And he was thinking that he also had grown up. So he was very happy. Okay, so that's the thing. I think you have understood. I'll tell the meaning. I'll write also the meaning for you. And project also you will get. Let me see who is this. Ishan Hajra, Noreen Sultana, Noreen Jaman, Indrila Chatterjee, Priyanka Ghosh, Rajonna Hajra, Raj Kishore Roy, Shankalan Chaudhary. Very good. Those who are here, Priyanka, why every day you are not muting? Noreen Jaman, you should mute yourself, beta. Noreen Sultana, Nasreen Sultana, that is also you should mute always, because if you are not muting, okay. What is gilighted? No, glistened. Glistened means just glittered. Okay, chok chok kore utha. Okay, that is the thing. Here, shady. I am just telling the meaning today. Next day I'll write the meaning and also question answer. Shady. I am telling. Shady means where shade is there. Without light. Without sunlight. Shade. S-H-A-D-E. From shady. Bellowed. Some musical voice. Actually, that is monkey's voice. They are just telling the danger of other animal. Okay. That is for that bellowed. Twitched. Twitched means just slowly without any noise. Pounced, jumped and caught. Grunt, that is also one type of what I am telling, grunt, that is also roaring, one voice, that hard voice. Okay, project, beta, I will tell again. Okay. Then, here, after that, roared also, you know, shouting. The tigers roaring we are telling. Peasant and fowl. Peasant also one type of bird. And fowl, the bird's flesh. Okay. Project I am telling. Draw or paste winter vegetables, flowers and fruits. Draw or paste the picture of winter vegetables, flowers and fruits. And write on your scrapbook or chart paper and write 10 to 15 lines about winter. Winter, your experience about the vegetable, about the flower, anything you will write. I will give to it in my e-portal. Please look at my e-portal and submission date I will tell afterwards. If you are having any problem, please write to my e-portal beta. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. And if you are having any problem, please tell me. And little tiger, big tiger, I will again tell the meaning. Next day I will write the meaning. Please, that day also you are present. You should be present. Only 9 or 10 people, class 3. First time you are joining so many people. Now why you are joining like this? Who is again? Jishnu Gupta. Jishnu, why are you joining like this? Only before some time. Okay, beta. Okay, beta. It's same to you, Noreen. And I will write the meaning. And if you are having any problem, please tell me. The next day I'll write the meaning and question answer. Okay, please tell me in my e-portal. Bye, beta. Have a nice day.